AGR New Generation B70 Plant Protection Drone offers higher payload and efficiency. The high-strength aluminum frame and carbon fiber arms, combined with the modular design, give the B70 a simpler and more rigid form. Adaptive adjustment to prevent wobbling, quick folding and easy maintenance and site transfer. Redesigned fertilizer spreader. The large capacity of 70 liters with filter makes it more efficient to use. With a sowing capacity to 80 kilograms per minute and sowing range up to 10 meters. Simple modular design allows for easy maintenance and cleaning. Waterproof design can be washed directly in water. Easy to replace and less costly. High-strength reamer to prevent clumping. 4 high-precision sensors monitor the weight of the material and fertilizer in real time for precise control. Easy and efficient switching between spreading and spraying systems. Water tank 40-liter sprayer nozzle, 16 flowing rate, 10 liters per minute spray width 8 meters. Combined with a high-precision flow meter, it provides better performance in terms of accuracy. Dual front and rear FPV cameras and LED searchlights. With 3D obstacle avoidance radar to make operations easier no matter day or night. New semi-automatic operating modem for small plots. New auto stroke function to meet the needs of more scenario work, not missing every corner crop. New plot cutting function to customize the plot to be circled. The new AB point angle adjustment function makes it easy to work quickly and accurately even on irregular ground. IP67 rated for easy cleaning and isolated from dust corrosives and liquids. 30Ah high-capacity smart battery. One battery can easily sow 6 packs of 40 kilograms of urea. High-powered battery and charger for uninterrupted use up to batteries. This is new generation B70 large capacity air drone for both spraying and broadcast.